Welcome to 6th grade math. This is your last math lesson with me. You have a test tomorrow. So lesson 169 and then lesson 170 is the test. So we're looking at pages 305 and 306. There isn't any homework for this, but you do have a speed drill that is 2 minutes and 30 seconds to do. It's a big grid box that you are multiplying everything. So the idea is to get the ones right that you do get down, okay? So don't rush through it and then get them all wrong. Think through each one, but try to go as fast as you can, of course. But first of all, we're just gonna do a rapid calculation, do a little bit of review, and then I'm gonna let you go ahead and do that and then we'll look at your page. So, all right. So let's see, 10 times 2. Divided by 4 times 9 plus 2 plus 3 equals 50. Did you get 50? 10 times 2 is 20, divided by 4 is 5, times 9 is 45, plus 2 is 47, yeah, plus 3 is 50. I'm sorry, I got lost there. All right, another one, 5 times 9 plus 5 divided by 10 times 8 plus 3 equals 43, okay? So 5 times 9, 45, plus 5 is 50, divided by 10 is 5, times 8 is 40, plus 3 is 43. Okay, good job. Do a few of these. We'll start with this one, 27 divided by 3. 9, 24 divided by 3, 8, 48 divided by 6, 8, 25 divided by 5, 5, 20 divided by 5, 4, 48 divided by 4, 12, 21 divided by 3, 7, 12 divided by 4, 3, switch your brains, 5 times 5, 25, 5 times 10, 50, 7, 12 times 6, I'm sorry, 72, 7 times 4, 28, 6 times 11, 66, 7 times 6, 42, 12 times 3, 36, 10 times 8, 80. Good job. All right. I'm going to let you go take your speed drill. When you come back, we're going to jump into this general review. All right. I hope you did well on that speed drill, took your time a little bit and were able to get it. All right. So formulas, we're gonna go ahead and review some formulas. So what is this the formula for? Perimeter of a rectangle, good job. What about this perimeter? Perimeter of a square. Area of a rectangle, area of a square. All right, what is this one? What do we call this? This is Celsius to Fahrenheit, okay? So Celsius to Fahrenheit. Remember, the last one mentioned, Fahrenheit, is what it starts with, F equals, all right? And then this one would be Fahrenheit to Celsius, all right? Good job, Fahrenheit to Celsius. So know how to distinguish that, all right? What is this one? A equals B times H, or L times W. Area of a parallelogram, good. What about this one? A plus B plus C. Perimeter of a triangle, good job. C equals 2 times pi times r. Is the circumference of a circle using radius, all right? So you have to pay attention to what they're giving you. If they give you an r equals, they're giving you radius. If they give you d equals, what are they giving you? Diameter, okay? A equals 1/2 times B times H is area of a triangle. C equals pi times D. Circumference of a circle using diameter, right? Okay, using diameter. P equals 2 times B times 2 times H, or 2 times L plus 2 times W is perimeter of a parallelogram, good. A equals pi times r squared. Area of a circle, right? And then I times equals P times R times T. Interest, and that's interest equals principal times rate times time. Good job. All right, so that is what we are doing there. or those are the formulas that you're going to be using. On this page, I'm just going to review a tiny bit. Your electric meter, if it's between two numbers, which number do you pick? The higher number or the lower number? The lower number, right? Okay. Okay. Yep. That'll work. And then how do you find the electric bill when they give you how many kilowatt hours? How do you find that? And they give you the cents to do it. Okay, there it says find the electric bills at 14.2 cents. What are we going to multiply by? We're going to multiply 14.2 times 975? No, we've got to move our decimal, right? Because with the cent sign, it's like a percent sign, where we have to move our decimal 2 places to the left, okay? So where's it going to sit? 2 places in front of the 1. So it's 0.142, okay? Just as a reminder for that. So for the rest of this page, all right, guys, like I did yesterday, everything but green. Everything but green. But yesterday I did have you do all of one of the sections, but today's just everything but green. There aren't very many green, so I know that there's a lot of problems, but this is going to give you a good foundation for that final test. So I want you guys to go through that. But it does cut off 2 of them for the electric bill, so you don't have to do all that multiplying. But be careful with your multiplying, and be careful where you put your decimal in your answer. And remember that the answer is in money, so make sure that you put your dollar sign, okay? The perimeter and area, those ones you're going to be doing all that. But again, good review, you're getting 1 of each kind, okay? And then circumference, they give you 2 of each kind to do, and then the third one is another D equals. And then you get some good work on your solving for X. You get to draw a circle, put the diameter, bisect an angle, 2 conversion measures, 1 with using each of your formulas, and then following the directions there. You do have those to do, but that shouldn't be too hard. And then 2 simple interest formulas to do. So you're probably going to need a scratch sheet of paper to do some of these problems, because they don't give you a ton of room for some of them. If you can fit it in there, that's fine too. But just do your best, and then the test is tomorrow. And so we will see you in the next lesson, which should be reading. So have a good rest of your classes till reading.